this is the dilemma I'm in with this guy. So I received the car, they parked it here. I opened it up, I pulled the key fob out of it, locked the car. When I came back to the car, the battery's dead. And of course, the key that I need for it is sitting right down there. And so I can't get access into the car. The key fob won't work because it has dead battery. So what my plans are is I'm gonna take either a jumper box or some jumper cables. I'm gonna go underneath the car and I'm gonna either try to find the starter motor or see if I can hook onto the alternator to get power to the car to unlock it. Never done this before, but I don't see any reason why it wouldn't work. You know, obviously I have to get the right side of the alternator cable, the side that goes to the battery, to make this work, but buckle up, let's see if this works. So here we go. We're gonna got my floor jack underneath so I can get a little more space. So let's see, I'm gonna turn on my flashlight so you guys can see. So right there, I found the alternator. I'm gonna see if I can pull the cap off on it. Man, that's a tight spot. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. Nice. So I was just able to remove the cap right there. Now I'm gonna stick the jumper cables on that bad boy, at least one end, and then I'll ground off, you know, the negative side on the frame. Probably this bolt down here, right here. Then I'm gonna hook it up and see if I can get the car to power up. Stand by. Let's see. Okay, I believe I got it on right there. Now I'm gonna hook the negative side onto this big frame bolt or sub frame bolt. All right, now I got a spare battery. I'm just gonna bring out here and hook onto there. All right, got the key fob here. I'm gonna hook this positive on. I don't see any sparks, so that doesn't. Nothing. I'm gonna switch the ground on this, see if I can get a different spot. So I took the ground and hooked it straight onto the differential, it looks like right there. See if that makes a difference. I'm getting a little spark. That's good. Here comes the key. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Yes. We are in, folks. That's what I'm talking about. Well, when in doubt, if you can't get underneath the hood, see if you can get underneath the car and hook it onto the alternator positive cable, or see if you can get maybe a starter cable. That's what I'm talking about. All right, pull that. That'd be too easy. If that positive would come off that easy. There we go. Sweet. Let's get that puppy out. Guys, I've never done that before. In theory, it makes complete sense why it should work. But when all else fails and you don't have, you know, a Slim Jim or a way to get in through the door, hey, if you can get underneath the car and hook onto the alternator or the starter motor, this thing will fire, well, not turn on, but it'll get power to use the key fob to get inside the car. That is awesome.